Hello, champions. Welcome. In the previous episode, we gave the quiz for the theory for level 1 course. Today, we're going to do the practical quiz, or the quiz where they ask practical questions. Without further ado, let's jump into it. So, alright. If node has one condition to filter processing orders and a second condition to filter the orders assigned to the employee named Mario in the same if node. Alright, so in the if node we have to add a condition. So let's do that. We're going to go back. If you don't remember, this is the last workflow 2.7. Over here, what they want us to do is add another condition. I'm going to do this still here. So we got this. Now let's spin this data so that we don't have to do it again and again. And here what they want us to do is employee name Mario. Is that the one? Mario, correct. So they want us to put another condition where employee name is Mario. Alright. So just to show you what is the difference, I'm going to delete this first. Let's see what output we get. Getting 14 and 16, and if we do employee name is Mario, we get 5 output. Right? So I think that's what the question is going to be about. So let's go back. So continue. So what is the value of the condition parameter? Okay, so what is the value of the condition parameter? Condition parameter, this is equal to string, right? Employee name is string, so it's going to be string. Now what is the value of the condition parameter? What is the value of the value 1 parameter? So it's asking us what is the value of this. So json.employee, which is nothing but json.employee name. JSON employee name. This is really not this one. So this is the parameter that we are looking for. Okay, what is the value of the operation? It's equal to, correct, is equal to. Okay, what is the value of the value 2 parameter? It should be Mario. This is the value parameter 2, Mario. Okay, duplicate the code node and add it to the true branch of the if node. What is the result when you execute the node? Alright, so let's do that. We are going to push this out. We are going to Control C, Control V. We got a copy of the node. Sorry. I'm going to from here to here. I'm going to delete this branch. So what is this code node doing? Right, it's doing the addition. It will do the sum of all the order prices. Let's see what happens. It's executing. Alright, so it executed. It got total booked was 5, so these are all the orders for Mario, and this is the booked sum 699.87. So I think they're going to ask us what is the value of total booked. The value of total booked is 5. This is total booked, so 5. What is the value of booked sum? So this is the value of the booked sum. I'm going to copy paste it from here. I don't want any spaces, so just type it if you know. Okay, execute the code node connected to the false branch of the if node, and what is new result? So it's asking us to go back and execute this node. Just see, I'm not running the entire workflow, right? I'm just running whatever they're asking me to do, just to keep it simple. Now in the false node, I have noticed this taking a lot of time actually. So The more data it has, the more data it takes, and more time it takes. But I'm going to stop and see. This is a glitch that I can see. If I click stop, it did finish processing for some reason, and if I execute this step again, it might be fast. No, something is wrong in this. So I guess the cloud version is acting a little glitchy, but it is working. Let me try to save it and close and reopen my Yeah, this is one of the reasons you might want to have your own self-hosted instance. That might be easier, faster, I guess. So we pinned this. I'm going to run this again. This is fast now. Yep, same issue. No, it's good now. So you see that my page was opened already and we got that issue. So in this case, we got only one item back. That's what we're expecting. Total booked is 25 and this is my price. I'm just going to copy it because I know I need it. They're going to ask about it. So close this out, case quiz. What is the value of total booked? Total booked is again 25. So I'm going to write 25. What is the value of the book sum? This is the one which we copy pasted. 29.2944 blah blah blah. Okay. What do the new results represent? Let's find out. All booked orders that are not processing. All orders that are not processing and assigned to Mario. And all booked orders that are not assigned to Mario. So let's go back to our thing and check. So what are we filtering out, right? In our first, we are filtering out all the orders that are processing and assigned to Mario. So in this branch, there are all the orders that are assigned to Mario and that are processing. It means that over here, there are all the orders which are not processing, right? They're booked. Now, let's go and see the data. So if we go and see the data, there are all the orders that are booked, which are not processing. However, there are also, and they are ordered to Mario also. So there are orders which are booked and assigned to Mario or to other people, or there are orders which are, I'm saying it wrong. So anything which does not fall under this is into the false branch, right? The quiz question that they asked is, all the booked orders that are not processing. So the false branch, it does not represent that. All the orders that are not processing and assigned to Mario, these are booked and they are assigned to Mario. So, but they are not all the orders. There are others as well. So all the booked orders that are not assigned to Mario, all the booked orders that are not assigned to Mario, but Mario is here. So in my case, all three of them are false. The answer should have been more on all the orders that are booked, and they may or may not be assigned to Mario, or they are assigned to everybody, So in this case, I don't know, you can choose anything. I chose the last one. And with that said, we are at the end of the quiz. Thanks for taking the quiz. And Nathan is calculating your score and will soon share the results. Okay, and we should get an email within 30 minutes and let's find out how we did. One more thing, I don't know if this is needed, but we did not run this through, so I don't know if they're expecting the Discord channel to get this message, and we should hear something back in 30 minutes. So let's hear. I have not heard anything back yet. Let's give it 30 minutes and we'll check it back.